that's the verse of Cool by Soccer Mommy. It's a cool little riff, basically using power chords and some sliding. And then the chorus is just the D to A. I wanna be like you. Wanna be cool. D to A, you can play it down here. Alright. But again, you can play this whole song with power chords, so you may as well play the D and the A at the 5th and 7th frets. I'll try and do some tab in the description. Should just, for those of you who prefer that. But let's talk about that riff. Basically, we have the riff starts with 3 power chords. And I watched her play it. Her hand is very steadily just going, and she's just muting it when she doesn't want it to be played. That would be a simplified way to play it, what I just did, and that's how I'll start teaching it to you. We're at the 7th and fret with our index, and the 9th with our ring finger, and we're just playing strings 6 and 5. This is a B power chord. You slide that up to the 9th and 11th, and then that you stay on very briefly, and then you slide it to the 10th, 10, 12. So it's like this. And then okay, and then so after we get to this is the D, and then we go to A. And then we hit that one time, and then immediately we go into this slide. 7, 9 on the low E string, your 6th string. Then we go to the A string at the 7. And then back to the 9. Alright, and then I think then it's just resetting onto the 7. So all together you go. Your heart and now, so if you were singing like I was just doing, you might want to just play it without that riff. Okay, but if you practice it enough, you can just get practice the riff like while you're watching TV or something for a couple hours, and you should be able to get it so automatic that you can sing it. So that's a good place to stop and end the lesson. Thanks for watching, and enjoy that song Cool by Soccer Mommy.